In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate WhatsApp with Monday.com in just a few minutes. This integration is perfect for streamlining your communication and managing tasks more efficiently. First, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. Log in with your credentials to access your workspace. Once inside, navigate to the Monday.com Apps Marketplace, where all third-party integrations are available. In the search bar, type WhatsApp to find the relevant integration options. Click on the WhatsApp integration to start the setup. Depending on the app, you may need to scan a QR code with your WhatsApp app, authorize the connection, or enter your WhatsApp business account details. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure the connection is successful. Once connected, configure the integration by selecting how you want data to sync between WhatsApp and your Monday.com boards. You can sync contacts, messages, or other relevant information depending on your workflow needs. This ensures that all your important communications are easily accessible within your project boards. With WhatsApp fully integrated, your productivity and communication will improve by consolidating your tools into one seamless system. Following the setup instructions closely and choosing the sync options that suit your workflow is key to making this integration effective.